we got here for you is Griyo, which is fried pork tossed in a citrus glaze that was made from the pork reduction. We have some plantain chips, a little pickles on top, and some roasted red pepper aioli. Maika is in the building. How do you feel about the inclusion of Caribbean cuisine, Haitian food in the festival?
Definitely loving it because we belong here, and I think it's also a good idea to have you here.
We shoot Chef Rose here, man. We had the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. Chef, man, what's the significance of people getting to try Caribbean food?
I think the people, they come here and they're looking for something completely different than what we normally use to.
Yes, yes.
You know, they're not looking for traditional, so they want something different.
Different,
and
yes.
that's what we present to them.
Chef Rose, we just had a nice conversation with him, and he has a line that's off the wazoo. It's like all the Caribbean chefs have a big line, and that's a great sign too, man. Love to see it. We're here with Chef Kat. Then how do you see that food connects people within the community?
I think it depends on whatever flavors, and especially with Miami and like the different diaspora of people in Miami. It's just like a melting pot of different flavors that different people could find whatever is for them.
It is so important for us to be here at the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. It's about sharing our culture, our cuisine with everybody. It's a way for us also to break bread, break down barriers, and make sure people connect with us in a positive way to shed more light on Haitian food and Caribbean food.